Imagine a world where every letter you say carries a hidden power. A world where letters are not just sounds but secret keys that can open unseen doors. This is not fantasy. This is real knowledge, ancient, deep, and powerful. And today, you are about to uncover it, the secrets of the letters, the science of al-Huruf, and how it connects you to the mysteries of the universe. Stay with me till the end, because this will change how you see words forever. So what is ilm al-Huruf? Ilm al-Huruf means the science of letters in Arabic. It's an ancient Islamic knowledge that teaches how every letter has a hidden meaning and power. Scholars believed that letters are not just for reading and writing. They are symbols of deeper spiritual truths. Every letter of the Arabic alphabet, like alif, ba, jim, holds a secret energy. Some letters represent strength. Some bring blessings. Others connect to wisdom, love, or even protection. Now, here's where it gets even more amazing. Each letter in Arabic also has a number value. This is called abjad system. For example, alif in number value is 1, ba in number value is 2, jim in number value is 3, and so on. So when you put letters together to form words, you are also putting together numbers. And these numbers have spiritual meanings. For example, some scholars say that the name Allah, when you add up the numbers of the letters, has a special spiritual weight that brings mercy and blessings. It's like a hidden language inside the language. Through understanding the letters and their numbers, people tried to discover deeper messages from Allah, understand the nature of reality, and even solve personal problems. Application of Ilm al-Huruf in Shams al-Marif. One of the most famous books that talks about Ilm al-Huruf is Shams al-Marif, written by Imam Ahmad al-Buni. This book explores how you can use the science of letters for spiritual practices. For example, it teaches how to write certain combinations of letters and numbers for protection, healing, or gaining knowledge. It explains how repeating certain words or names of Allah based on their hidden numbers can bring real changes in your life. But remember, this knowledge is not just about magic or quick results. It's about deep respect, understanding the power of Allah's creation and using it for good. Shams al-Marif teaches that the real goal is to get closer to Allah by understanding His signs, even the signs hidden in letters. So next time you see a letter, know that you are seeing more than just ink on paper. You are witnessing a secret, a piece of the divine design. Ilm al-Huruf is not just old knowledge. It's a reminder that everything in this universe, even a single letter, has a meaning, a purpose, and a connection back to Allah. If you found this mind-opening, make sure you stay with us, because this is just the beginning of unlocking ancient secrets. Until next time, stay curious, stay blessed.